Stop buying bulky tools that create more drawer clutter. The Stanley PowerLock 25F00T handles most homes. Choose the FatMax for renovation reach and toughness. Choose by project span, durability, bulk, and budget. For most homes, buy the Stanley PowerLock Tape Measure 25F00T. It's affordable, slim, and straightforward for furniture, shelves, windows, small repairs, and everyday DIY. The thumb lock holds securely, while the protected blade offers practical durability without contractor tool cost or bulk. The catch is its narrower 1-inch blade, which won't extend unsupported as far as a wider design. Skip it if you often measure long distances alone, tackle major renovations, or want maximum blade rigidity. For renovations, step up to the Stanley 33 to 725/25 FEET FatMax Tape Measure. Buy it for frequent DIY, lumber layouts, ceilings, and longer spans where better blade reach saves frustration. Its wider, better protected blade and substantial case suit harder use. But that strength brings bulk. The nearly 2-inch WIDE case feels heavier and occupies more pocket space. Skip it if you measure occasionally, have smaller hands, or mainly keep your tape in a crowded drawer. For furniture, shelves, windows, and routine repairs, choose the PowerLock. For renovations, longer spans, and harder use, choose the FatMax. Before buying, check your drawer space, hand comfort, typical measuring distance, and whether you'll usually work alone. Start with the PowerLock because it's the better value fit for ordinary home projects. Switch to the FatMax when longer reach and tougher construction justify extra bulk and cost. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.